90% of people quit the gym because they can't see fast results. But here's the truth. There are three proven keys that I have discovered throughout my years of working out and being consistent at the gym that has helped me to transform my body from this to this. And in this video, I'm going to show you the three biggest reasons why people quit the gym and show you the three proven keys that can help unlock 100% gym results with minimal effort. Just a quick one. My name is Raziik and welcome back to my channel, Get Fit with Raziik. So with all my years of working out and being consistent at the gym, I've seen a lot of people that come to the gym full of motivation, full of fire, ready to transform their body, ready to do all the exercise in order to transform their body. But guess what? Within weeks, they just disappear into thin air. The truth is that it's not because they are lazy or they are weak, but it's because they are approaching the gym or working out in a wrong way. So in this video, I'm going to show you the three reasons why people quit the gym and show you the proven keys that is going to help you to transform these mistakes into results. Let's get into it. The first reason, unrealistic expectation. I cannot overemphasize this. A lot of beginners that goes to the gym, they want fast results. They want bigger muscles. They want 6 ups within 2 weeks. They want big biceps within 3 days. They want to lose weight within 2 days. These are unrealistic expectations. And guess what? When it does not happen, frustration sets in. And when frustration sets in, quitting is the way out rather than to continue. Let me tell you the blunt truth. Working out or going to the gym is a long-term game. And if you play the long-term game, that's when you are able to see results. At times, I don't blame these people because there are a lot of fitness models that are telling you that you can lose weight within 2 days, you can get big muscles within 3 days. But that is not the reality. The reality is that going to the gym or working out is a long-term game. When you treat it as a long-term game, that's when results will start popping in. So at times, I don't blame you when you have this unrealistic expectation because when you go to social media, people are saying that you can lose weight within 2 days, you can do this within 3 days. That is not realistic. The truth is that gym is a long-term game, not a 2 week experiment. So if you are expecting that you are going to get a result within 2 days or 3 days, then you'll be deceived. But rather, focus on the long-term game. Focus on building momentum that is going to help you to be consistent and build momentum which is going to help you to get a result. Reason two, overcomplicating the process. A lot of beginners that go to the gym, they want to do everything at once. They are working 6 days a week. They are using heavy weight which they cannot even raise. They are doing 10 different exercises for a specific muscle group. Maybe for instance, training the chest. They are trying all the supplements on the shelves. Instead of building momentum, they are rather building exhaustion. They are rather building burnout because that's not how the body works. The body works with consistency. When you understand how the body works, then you will not overcomplicate the process. Because working 6 days a week is not realistic. You will not be able to keep up with it in the long run. Instead of working out 6 days a week, why don't you focus on working out 3 days in a week? And these 3 days in a week, you'll be able to get time to rest. And with this, you'll be able to build momentum, which can keep you going and which can make you consistent even for 6 months, even for years. But working out 6 days and trying to do everything at once, it will lead to burnout, which the body will completely break down. So guess what? You stop going to the gym because the body is weak. You don't even have strength. You don't have any resting days for the body to repair worn out tissues, to get energy to keep going. So overcomplicating the process will lead to burnout instead of building momentum that is going to help you to be consistent, which at the end of the day, you'll be able to get results. Reason number three, relying on motivation. Motivation is like a weather. Today it is sunny, the next day it is raining. If you are going to concentrate on motivation alone, then you will not be able to be consistent at the gym. At the end of the day, you will quit. But instead of relying on motivation, why don't you build systems that is going to help you to be consistent at the gym? I've actually done a video about motivation and how not to rely on motivation and how to build systems which is going to help you to be consistent at the gym when you have tight schedule. I've linked the video at the end of this video, so try as much as possible to watch the video after watching this one. Thank you. These are the three main reasons why people quit the gym. But all of these mistakes is completely solvable. So these are the three proven keys that can help you to convert this mistake into result. Key number one, set realistic goals. Instead of having unrealistic expectation to build apps within 6 weeks, which are not completely feasible, why don't you set a realistic goals? Okay, this month I'm just going to show up 3 days in a week, and this is my goal. Just show up, not to intensify your training, When you do that, you'll be able to show up each and every day in order to build that consistency muscle, which is going to help you in the long run. Don't have these unrealistic expectation. I know where this unrealistic expectation comes from, because when you go to the gym, you see people that have big muscles, so that motivates you to be doing everything and thinking that you can achieve everything at the shorter possible. That person that is having the big muscle that you see at the gym working out, you don't know how long that person has been training in order to build that muscle. Probably that person has been training for like years, but because you just walk into the gym and you see that person having that big muscle, you think that you can achieve that within days. It's not possible. It's not feasible, because that person who has that big muscle has been working out for the past years. You don't know. So instead of focusing on that, focus on setting realistic goals. Okay, in this month, I'm going to show up each and every day. That is what is going to help you in the long run, and that is what is going to give you results. Key number 2, simplify your routine. This is very important. Instead of doing everything at once, why don't you focus on the simple exercise like push-ups, pull, bench press with 5 figures? So let me tell you my story. When I started going to the gym, I was doing bench press. I started with 10 kilograms. And from time to time, each and every week, I increase it by 5. When I've realized that I've built momentum over that 10 kilogram or that specific weight, I've increased the strength and my body is used to that weight, then I will increase it by 5. I will increase it by 5. And guess what? After 1 year, I'm right now doing 90 kilogram of bench press. That is momentum. But when you start and you start with 30 kilogram and you start increasing, your body is not used to that weight. Your body is not used to that stress. So guess what? Your body will break down, your body will burn out, and at the end of the day, you will not be able to get the strength to continue in the long term. So simplify your routine. Just do 3 effective exercises to train a specific muscle group. Don't do 10 exercises, because that 10 exercise you will not be able to get the effectiveness that was going to stretch the muscle in order to get results. Don't be doing everything at once. When you do that, the body is going to burn out and you are going to quit. Key number 3, build systems instead of relying on motivation. Relying on motivation is the biggest lie in fitness. Instead of relying on motivation, why don't you build systems like use calendar, use schedules, treat gym as a habit? When you treat gym as a habit, you will no longer think about whether I should go to the gym or I should not go to the gym, or whether I feel like going to the gym or I don't feel like going to. You just go to the gym because it has become a schedule. It has become a plan. It has become part of your life. It has become a habit. It has become a lifestyle. When you treat gym as a habit, that is when you don't even think about the benefits of going to the gym. You just wake up, you take your things, and you go to the gym and go and work out, and you come back. You don't even have excuse not to go to the gym, because you are treating it as a habit. And to treat it as a habit is when you build systems, you build schedules. Okay, Mondays, Thursdays, I'm going to the gym exactly at 6 p.m. Whether I feel like it, whether I have time, whether I'm busy or whether, I will always make time to go to the gym exactly on time. When you do this, you'll be able to treat gym as a habit. And this will help you in the long run to be consistent at the gym and help you not to quit. So these are the 3 proven keys that is going to help you not to quit at the gym and be consistent at the gym. I have a challenge for you. So the challenge is that for the next 1 month, just focus on showing up. Just simplify your routine. Okay, this month I'm going to the gym 3 days in a week, and each of my sessions probably I'm going to do 30 minutes to 1 hour of working out, and I'm going to just do normal push-ups, normal bench press with minimum weight. When you are able to do that, the following month, then you can increase the intensity. The goal is to be consistent, because gym is a lifestyle, not a 2-week experiment. So if this is you, comment below that I will not quit the gym, so that I will know that you are with me in this journey of building consistency that is going to help us to transform our body and attain our gym goals. Don't forget to like this video, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to my channel. And together we are going to build that consistency muscle, which is going to help us to show up each and every day and help us to transform our body and help us to achieve our gym goals. Remember, consistency beats motivation. I will see you in the next video.